we've seen the Roman guard, the wake of our home. A stumbling figure, proud and scarred. I see my Savior He hangs by whom the world was made, beneath the darkened sky. The everlasting ransom paid, I see my Savior die. He shares on high His Father's throne, who once in mercy gave. For all His love to sinners shown, I sing my Savior's name. How marvelous, how wonderful, and my song shall ever be. How marvelous, how wonderful is my Savior's love for me.